Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to make our portals look like portals now. So let's get started. So first we want to go to Materials and Textures, create a render target, portal1 underscore RT, and let's just duplicate that. It's going to be portal2 underscore RT, and then right click and just create material, keep the default name, save. Alright, so now let's open these guys up, and we'll change these to by 1090. 1090 just makes it a little bit bigger on the Y, so it looks more accurate with the field of view. Okay, save. Alright, so now portal 1, we just want to make this unlit, change the base color to emissive, and then we want screen aligned UVs, put that in, apply, save. Same thing for this one, make that unlit, there, screen aligned UVs, apply, save. Okay, so now open up a portal, and you want to make sure on the portal capture, the scale is all set to 1, rotation 0, and location 0. So go ahead and change those. I messed up when I was doing the last tutorial and I accidentally moved this stuff around, so make sure you set all that stuff to where it's supposed to be. So this one, portal 1 RT, and then up here we want to grab our portal and change this to portal 2. So it's the opposite portal that's looking at. Now let's go look at portal 2. Do the same thing, portal 2. But up here, we want it to be portal 1. So it's looking at the opposite portal. Okay. So now, let's create a new blueprint class. Actor. This is going to be our portal manager. Save all. Okay. So what we want to do is open this guy up. Event graph. Get rid of these. And we're going to want to create 2 new functions. Over here, function update portal 1. Okay. So in here, what we want to do is variable portal 1. Let's make that portal 1. Then here we're going to do portal 2. Make that portal 2 reference. Then make sure both of those are public. Okay, so now we want to grab this one, get portal capture. Let's duplicate that. Get world location of the default scene route. And we want to do the same thing with portal 1. World location again of the default scene route. We want to subtract those two. Basically, it's just getting the location, subtracting them, and then we're going to get the player camera manager. And then get world location of the transform component. But we also want to get world rotation. Okay. So now add the vectors. for me, I'm switching them. I don't think it shouldn't really matter. But that's kind of how I have it set up. So let's drag off here. Set world location and rotation. That guy there. Rotation is there. Okay, so there is the Portal 1 update. And Portal 2 is pretty much the same thing, but backwards. So, update Portal 2. Portal capture. And I mean, you could try copying and pasting, but because we're getting the default scene roots of everything, um, it it won't just let you plug in the new variable with it. I mean, at least it didn't before. I am, however, going to copy all those. Sorry, that's my dog. Okay. So now, on event graph, we want to just call both of these. And let me unhook this, and I'll show you what it does. So we'll drag this guy into the scene, and now we have these guys. So we want to link up Portal 1, Portal 2, so it knows what's looking at. But here, I'm going to go ahead and play. As you can see, the render targets are really weird. Like it doesn't work the way it's supposed to. It's all funky. But now, if I open this guy up, interesting. Hmm. Alright, let's take a look at that, because something's wrong. Hmm. That is very interesting. Just taking a look in the other scene here. I must have missed something. Oh, you know what? I bet you. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's because it's rotated in the wrong direction, which seems kind of weird, but hmm. Aha, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it's weird because it's based on the rotation of the object. So, I mean that works. Yeah. So it's based on the rotation of the portals. Um, I forgot that was an issue. I built that other project a while ago. Um, so that's something that I need to work on. But once you get the rotation set up, um, just rotate them. I'm pretty sure they have to be along, yeah, along the x-axis here. This way. So the rotation, see, 90. So x is pretty much to the right of it as looking at it. And then it fixes the rotation. I haven't had a chance to fix that. I completely forgot that that was an error or an issue in the code. I apologize for that. um, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. And as you can see, we can do an infinite loop if we want to. Um, so yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you like the new system. Then I'll start messing with getting it more intuitive in terms of making more portals if you want to and things like that, and go from there. And also I'll take a look at that rotation issue and see if I could fix that, because that's kind of a big limitation, not being able to put the portals anywhere. Because like in the game portal, you can shoot and put them on the walls and stuff. So once I get that issue fixed, maybe I'll create another part where you can shoot them and they'll go on anywhere or on particular surfaces, things like that. Um, but I think it has a lot to do with the math in the update portals for the scene component. They pretty much have to be, I don't know, kind of facing each other, I guess, for it to work properly. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.